Hi, welcome to my channel. I am called a lot of things, but mostly Mom. And today on What Would Mom Say, we are dismantling the bedroom. Let's get into it. Honestly, you guys, you think that this would be easy, but my room has been like this for 16 years, if not more. We just gotta do it. Let's go. Now we need to fix it up. Have a great day. I love you. Be brilliant. Follow your dreams. Bye. I can't even take something down. Like, oh, I don't want to do it, but I need to. But I don't want to. But I love it.